Occupied Kashmir continues to bleed under India's ruthless occupation and repression. India's intransigence remains the core obstacle to a peaceful resolution of the lingering Kashmir dispute, pending with the United Nations for the last several decades. New Delhi's rigid stance has transformed Kashmir into a nuclear flashpoint in South Asia, as occupied Kashmir stands as a grim reminder of the systematic violations of the international law under the foreign occupation. All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the Kashmiri people are united to foil the RSS BJP's anti-Kashmir Hindutva agenda to suppress their just demand for right to self-determination. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, urged the United Nations to implement its Security Council Resolution number 47 on Kashmir, which marks its 77th anniversary of adoption today. Senior all-party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has stressed the need for unity to thwart the conspiracy aimed to fragment the Muslim community to sectarian, political and the social levels. Mirwais said this while interacting with the people during his visit to the Budgam today to offer condolences on the demise of the prominent Islamic scholar Agha Sayyid Bakar al-Musfi. An Indian Army's Naib Subedar died mysteriously in the Siachen Glacier. Naib Subedar Baldev Singh died in the line of duty in the Siachen Glacier, an Indian Army official said. A.S. Daulat, a former chief of the India's Research and Analysis Wing, has launched a new book, The Chief Minister and the Spy, reflecting on the complex relationship between New Delhi and the political leadership of the occupied Kashmir. Former RAW chief speaks diplomatically, but he is a velvet glove over an iron fist when it comes to Kashmir and the Kashmiri people. Congress chapter of occupied Kashmir has announced a month-and-a-half-month-long campaign from tomorrow against the failure of the BJP-led Indian government to hand over the powers to the occupied Kashmir political setup and in favor of the restoration of the statehood.